Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The isoelectric point, pi, of an amino acid is the pH at which the molecule carries no net electrical charge. For a simple amino acid with one carboxylic acid group and one amino group, the pi is calculated as the average of the two relevant pKa values flanking the zwitterionic form. Moving on to the next step. Identify the given constants. pK of the carboxylic acid group, CO2H, is equal to 2.2. P kilobyte of the ammonium group, NH3+, is equal to 4.4. Moving on to the next step. Convert P kilobyte to pKa for the ammonium group. pKa, NH3+, is equal to 14, P kilobyte is equal to 14, 4.4 is equal to 9.6. And for the final step, calculate the isoelectric point. For a simple, non-ionizable side chain, amino acid, pi is equal to pKa1 plus pKa2, 2. Where pKa1 is the pK of the carboxyl group and pKa2 is the pK of the ammonium group. Pi is equal to 2.2 plus 9.6, 2 is equal to 11.8, 2 is equal to 5.9. Evaluate other options. A. 3.3. This would be the average of two carboxyl type pKa values, not applicable here. C. 9.6. This is just pKa of the ammonium group alone, not the pi. D. 11.8. This is the sum of the two pKa values, not the average. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.